Circuit is given. How to do the encoding process? By giving the input and finding each state what is the output, and using the convolutional operations we can find it. That is one method. Another one is in transform domain we have seen, using the multiplication operations we can find out. Today we will see how to do the encoding process using graphical method. So here, before going for the graphical method, actually 3 methods are there. One is using state diagram we can do. Another one is using tree diagram. Third one is using trellis diagram. So 3 way of doing encoding. One is using state diagram. Second one is using tree diagram. Third one is using trellis diagram. So first, to draw this one, we have to find out the state table. For example, this is S0, that is here 0, 0 if it is there. Okay, 2 memory element. So number of state is 4. If it is 0, 0 is there, initial, that is current state is 0, 0. If I give input 0 to it, what will be the next state? So here it is 0. Okay, these states are 0, 0. If I give a 0 as the input, the next state again it will be a 0, 0 only, that is S0 state. If it is S0 state, what is the corresponding output? So corresponding output, if you see, for this one is 0, 0. Okay, V of 1 will be 0 because all the elements are 0. Modulo added together, it will be 0. Here it is 0 plus 0, you will be getting 0, 0. Next one, if I give a input 1. So when I give a clock pulse, the next state will be 1, 0. So 1, 0 is what? S1 state. So when I give input 1, the state will be S1. Next state will be S1. The corresponding output will be what? Here it is 1, 0. So here you will be getting the output as 1, 1. Okay. So here the input is 1, 0, 0. You will perform the output. Next, when you give a clock pulse, the next state will be 1, 0. It will be going. Similar way, S1. S1 is 1, 0. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you explain this again, ma'am? Your cursor is very small. It is like we're not able to follow. I'm not able to follow where it's going.
1 second. Okay. See, here we started with S0. So the memory is in the state S0, that is both are 0, 0. Okay. Now I am giving the input 0. So what is the corresponding output? 0. From here it is 0. From here it is 0. All 0 plus modulo adder 0. Similar way, here it is 0. Okay. So when I give a clock pulse, what will be the next state? This 0 will be shifted in. This 0 will be shifted in. So the next state also S0 state. Okay. Now I give a input 1 here. When I give a input 1, what is the corresponding output? 1. Previously the state is in S0 state. So here these two are 0, 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, you will get, first one is 1. Again here 1 plus 0, you will get 1. So when I give a clock pulse, what is the next state? This 1 will be entering here. This 0 will be entering here. So the state will be 1, 0. So 1, 0 is what state? S1 state. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So similar way, 1, 0 you are going to give. 1, 0 you are going to give. The input will be 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0, here the corresponding output will be 1. Next output will be 0. So what is the next state? 0 is input, right? So when you give a 0 input, clock when it comes, because now you are in the state of 1, 0. So when you give a 0, it will be 0, 1. 0, 1 means it is in the S2 state. Okay. So similar way, like this way, we have to fill the state. So I'm just writing all the state now. S0, S1, S2, S3. The corresponding output for this one is 0, 1. For this output is 1, 1. Next is 0, 0. Next one is 0, 1, 1, 0. So you can take this as S2. So S2 is now in the state of 0. Here it is 1. Now I am going to give the input 0. Okay, 0, 1 is the state. Here input is 0. So since it is 1, rest of the things are 0. You will be getting 1, 1. Okay, so the output is, which one we are discussing? This one, right? 1, 1. So when you give a input, what happens? 0. When you give a clock pulse, this 0 will be coming here. From here, what is the previous one? It is 0. So this 0 will be going here. So the next state will be S0. Right? So like this way, we are filling the entire state table. So with the help of the state table, we are going to draw the state diagram. So how many states are there? 4 states are there. So here S0, S0 state, S1 state, S2 state, S3 state. Right? When I give a 0 input, you please see, when I give a 0 input, what is the next state? S0. What is the corresponding output? 0, 0. So when I give a 0 input, I will be going, the next state will be S0 itself. So 0 input, okay, I am writing the output in the bracket. So it is 0, 0. Next one you see. If I give 1 as the input, next state it will be going as S1, the corresponding output is 1, 1. So when I give 1 as the input, okay, it will go to the next state S1, the corresponding output is 1, 1. Here you see from S1, S1 0 if you are giving, S2 1 0, S2 1 0. 1 0. Next one, 1 if you give S3 0 1. 1 if you give S3 0 1. Next one from S2. S2 is S0 1 1. S0 1 1 from S2. One one, correct? From S2 to S0 1 1. Next one, if I give input 1 S1, output is 0 0. S1 input 1, output is 0 0. Next last one S3 0 S2 0 1. S2 0 0 1. Next one S3 1 0. S3 1 0. Right? Now we have drawn the state diagram. So this is the state diagram. So from this diagram, how to do the encoding? So we will take the input 1 0. We will take the input 1 0 1 1 1. Okay. So this is the input. So how many memory elements you are having? 2 memory elements. So you will be having adding 2 zeros. Okay. This is for to make memory content 0. Memory content 0. Okay. So now we will see how to do the encoding. So initially, while doing the encoding, we will be in the S0 state. All the memory contents are 0, S0 state. So now I am going to give the input 1. So the input is going to be 1. So from here to here, it is moving. So the corresponding output is 1, 1. Okay. Next input is, now we are standing in which state? S1 state. What is the input we are going to give? 0 is the input we are going to give. So it means from here to here, right? So the corresponding output is what? 1, 0. Here output is there, 1, 0. Next is the input you are going to give 1. So now we are in which state? S2 state. We are going to give 1. So 1 means this is the 1. Okay. So the corresponding output is 0, 0. So which state we are standing? S1. What is the next input? We are going to give 1. So 1 means from here to S3. So the corresponding output was 0, 1. Next one, we are going to give 1. So current state in S3. So 1 means this is the 1. 1, 0. Again, we are in S3. Next input is 0. So 0 means this line. The corresponding output is 1, 0. Again, we are going to give 0. You please see, we are ending up with the S0 state. Starting with the S0 state, ending with the S0 state. So this will be the code word. Clear? Is this point, is it clear, right? Okay, this is the way you can easily, once you draw the state diagram from the circuit, it is easy for you to do the encoding. So next one, we will move on to the trellis diagram. So how to do the encoding using trellis diagram? So here again 4 states are there, S0, S1, S2, S3. So input is 1, 0, 1, next one, 2 zeros. Okay. See, now we are going to draw the trellis diagram for the given state diagram. So here. So starting with the S0 state. Okay. So this is time t0 I am starting. T is equal to 0. This time 0 we are starting from here. So when it is 0 as the input, okay, 0 I am just putting it as the straight line and 1 as the dotted line. Okay, so 0 straight line. So it will move on to the S0 state. Okay, these joins are S0 states. We are moving to the S0 state. What is the corresponding output? Here we will see. Corresponding output is 0, 0. So we are writing here 0, 0. Okay. Next one, if I give input 1, it will go to the S1 state. So input 1 we are drawing. If it is input 1, draw with dotted lines. Input is 0, straight line. A solid line. Okay. So we are ending with the S1 state. Okay. Next one is I am starting at this point is t is equal to 1 second. Okay. T is equal to 1 or t naught plus t, whatever. So from S0, if we are standing in the S0 state, again it will be moving to the S0, S1. Okay. So here 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. If we are in S1 state, okay, if we are in S1 state, S2, S3. So 0 is S2. 0 is S2. So straight line S2. So this is the S2. Okay, 1 is S3, right? From S1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, this line is 1, 0. Here the output line is 0, 1. Okay, so at t equal to 2. Okay, so we have all these states. So again you draw it for this one. So here straight line, here dotted line. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So for this one, it is straight line here. Here it is a dotted line. So 0, 1. Here it is 1, 0. Next one from S2. From S2, if it is 0, we are moving to S0. If it is 1, we are moving to S1. So 0, 0, S0, right? S0. So the corresponding output is 1, 1. Output is 1, 1. Here it is moving to the S1. So the corresponding output is 0, 0. Output is 0, 0. So next at this point, S3. So S3 is 1 is S3, 0 is S2. So 0 straight line, 1 is with dotted line. Okay, so what is the one? 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. So again, rest of this block is just a copy of this t equal to 0. Reason is in t equal to 0 only we have all the state. So we have to copy this one as such. Okay, so from here, okay, so this value is 1, 0. This value is 0, 0. I think 0, 0. S3. S3 is 0, 1. 0, 1. So is this is 0, 1? 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay. So from here, solid line. So what is this value? 1, 1. So here 0, 0. These lines are 1, 1. Okay. So next one is from here to here dotted lines. So from here to here dotted lines. So the corresponding value is S2 to S1 is 0, 0. So this line is 0, 0. Here it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so this dotted line is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, last one is dotted line. So all these values are 1, 0. From here to here solid line. Okay, so here it is 0, 1. Okay, so this completes the drawing of the trellis diagram. Next, we will see how to do the decoding. I will just copy this one. Okay, so now you see what is the input after completing this trellis diagram. Trellis diagram number of t depends upon your length of your input bit. So here we will start with. So first one is 1. So now we are in S1 state. Next one is 0. 0 means solid line. from here. Next time state, here S2 we are standing, next input is 1, so dotted line. Okay, now we are in S1 state, next input is 1, so dotted line. Now we are in S3 state, now input is 1, so dotted line. Next one is, it is 0, so solid line. From here again it is 0, solid line. So starting with the S0 state, ending with the S0 state. Okay, so correspondingly you trace this one, wherever we put the circle you trace and write the value. So here the output value is, for the first one 1 1, second one it is 1 0. So from here to here it is 1 0, from here to here 0 1, from here to here 1 0, from here to here 0 1, last one is 1 0. Third is 0 0. Here I think this is the dotted line, right? So 0 0. Okay. So in this way only we will be decoding it using the trellis diagram, encoding it using the trellis diagram. Is this one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me once again check the output. 1 1.
Last
1
one
0.
is 1 1, ma'am.
First one is 1 1, right? 1 1. Correct, right? I have written.
Last
Next
one
is last one. Yes. 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay. So with this one, our encoding is over. Tree diagram I am not teaching. So with the trellis diagram and state diagram itself is enough for you to do the encoding. So next one we will go with the decoding. So decoding here in convolutional code, they are using the, I already told, they are using the Viterbi decoding algorithm.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said last class that trellis diagram is used like in applications, many applications. What is the advantage of trellis
Diagram? See, if you see in the tree diagram, if you see when you are drawing with the tree diagram, it will be growing like anything as your input is larger. Whereas in trellis diagram, it is easy to represent because once all the states is there, once you made connection to the all state, it is just the copy of the states. Okay, from t is equal to d, two states, whatever they input, it is just a copy of it. So where it is used here, one is in decoder we will be using the trellis diagram. Another one is we will be using in the trellis modulation, coded modulations and all, we will be using this diagram. Okay, so here now we will see how to do the decoding. So decoding here I told you it is Viterbi decoder. So Viterbi decoder, they are using the ML decoding method, that is maximum likelihood decoding method. So in initial class itself we have seen ML decoding method. When you start with the maximum likelihood decoding, it is end up with the minimum distance decoder, right? ML decoder leads to the minimum distance decoder. So Viterbi decoder, in especially hard decoding method, it will be using the minimum distance decoder. Hard decoding method. So minimum distance, how they are going to use this? See, for example, this is your transmitted bit. Let me draw it here. So what is your transmitted? First one is 1 1. Encoder data is 1 1 1 0 1 0. Next one is 0 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Here it is 1 1. Okay, so this is the encoder output which we are transmitting from the channel code. So your channel is what? Binary symmetric channel. So the binary symmetric channel, whenever we are transmitting 0 or 1, if the error is more, it will flip the 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay. So we will introduce some error here and we will try to see how trellis diagram is used for decoding with the concept of minimum distance decoder. So now I will take the corresponding output after entering into the channel, the input to the decoder. The code bit will be, the received code word will be, for example, here we will take 1110. Here we will take the bit as 10. So it means error is occurred at this bit. Okay. Next here also we will take error has occurred. So 0010, rest is same. So here in this encoder, we have introduced the two error. One is at the third pair position, fourth pair positions. Okay, so this is your received code word at the input of the decoder. Okay, now how to do the error correction one we will see. So this is the 1. Okay, you have the trellis diagram. So from the trellis diagram, we will use the minimum distance decoder. So what is the distance between 0, 0 and 1, 1? What is the Hamming distance between 0, 0 and 1, 1?
2.
So Hamming distance is 2. So here I am writing the Hamming distance. So at this end, the Hamming distance is 2. What about Hamming distance between 1, 1 and 1, 1? 0, right? So I am writing at this node, the Hamming distance is 0. Next you see, what is the input? What is the input to the decoder? The decoder input is 1, 1. Now we will compare the 0, 0 and 1, 0. So when you compare 0, 0 and 1, 0, here the Hamming distance is 1. Okay. Next one is 1, 0 with 1, 1 we are comparing, the Hamming distance is 1. So at this node, if you take only one line is there. So starting of the node is 2. The weight, that is here the we can say the weight of this line is 1. So 2 plus 1, here this value will be 3. Okay. So similar way 2 plus 1, this value will be 3. Next one is 1, 0. So this line is 0, 1, here it is 2. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 is, this line is 0, here it is 2. Let me once again explain. So what we are doing is, with the received bit, we are trying to find out the distance between the each state, what is the output. So for example, here for previous one, we are in S0 state and the current received output is 1, 0. We are comparing it with 0, 0 and 1, 0 and finding out what is the Hamming distance. This Hamming distance we are writing in this path. They are called as a path. Okay, we are writing it here. So to find the Hamming distance, what is the total distance, or we can call it as the node metric. This is path metric. Okay, in the line whatever we are writing, it is called as the path metric, whereas at the node it is a node metric. Okay, so how to write the node metric here? Previous node value plus path metric value, we are writing it here. Okay, so next you see, next if you see each one, to each node, two line is joining. So what is the value we have to write here? So for example, here the received bit is 1, 0. Okay, here it is 0, 0. So Hamming distance is 1. Next one is Hamming distance is 1. Here it is 1, 1. The Hamming distance is 1. Now you just see 3 plus 1. Here it is 4. Again 0 plus 1. Here it is 1. So which is the lowest metric value that we will write? So 4, this line gives 1. So we are writing it here 1. Let me explain once again this point. See, from here to here, this path metric is 1. So 3 plus 1, here it should be 4. But at this node, 2 lines are joining. Similar way here, if you take this node, the value is 0 and the path metric value is 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1, it is 1. So from this line, it is 4. From this line, it is 1. Whichever is the minimum value we are writing. So the minimum value here is 1. Okay, similar way we will write for the rest of the thing. Okay, so here this node we will take. Okay, this node, the value here, the dotted line value will be 1, 1. So here it is 1. Next one from here to here it is joining is 1, 0. So it is 0. 3 plus 1, 0 plus 0. So this value is 0. Okay, so if I make any mistake, please tell me. So 1, 0 is there, this line. Okay, I hope, let me check. S1, 2, S2. S1, 2, S1, 2, S2, 1, 0. Next one is 0, 1. 1, 0. Okay, so this is 1, 0. So it is 0. From here to here, the value is 1, 0, 1. So here it is 2. Right? So 3 plus 0. Correct, right? This is 1, 0. This line. 1, 0, correct, right? Yes, 1, 1, 0.
Line is little like distant from the value you have written.
1, 0. Okay, so it is 3 plus 0. So here 3, whereas here 2 plus 2, 4. So the minimum value is 3. Next one you take, this is 0, 1. So the Hamming distance will be 2. Next one here 1, 0. Hamming distance is 0. So this point is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 0. So here it is 2. Right. So like this way, let us complete all the value. So please tell me for this one. Next one, it is 0, 0. So the line value is here, it is 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. Obviously here it will be higher. So 1. Next one here 1, 0. So this is 2. Here if you take, it is 0, 0. This line is 0, 0. So it is 0. So both the line are 3. So I'm writing 3. Next here, this line is 1, 0. So it is 1. Whereas here 2, from here it is 1. So least 1 is 1. Here it is 0, 1. So it is 1. Here obviously it will be more. So it is 1. Okay. So next one, 1, 0. So this is 1. From here it is 1, 0. So here the value is 1. Next one, 1, 0. Here the value is 1, 1. So it is 1. Next line joining, here is 0, 0. So here it is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. Correct, right?
Ma'am, I think we did a mistake in this t equal to 2 t equal to 3 part. That S2 to S2, S1, I think it is 0, 0.
Oh, this line.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 0 is the solid line.
So it is 1.
Yes,
what about here? It is 0. This point is 0. So 0 plus 1, here it is 1. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest is correct, right?
Ma'am, it will change the other nodes also now.
No, this, no. This t is equal to 3 value is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one, t is equal to 4, we will see. So this is, I hope it will be correct. This line is 1.
The first one should be 3, no, 2, no, ma'am.
Which one, ma? T is equal to?
3, the first one should be 2, no ma'am. The
How
topmost.
come this point is 0?
Is when there are
Okay.
2 bits of error.
Here
There
it
are-
is 1 0. So
No,
it
it's
is
1
1.
1 1.
That's what here output is 1 0. When you compare it is 1, right? So 0 plus 1, it is 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here the line is here it is 1. At this point, so here it will be 2. Next from
Next
here
one.
to here it is 1. So this will be 2. Okay. So 1. This line is 1 plus 1. So 2 here. Because this is 2. This line is 1 1. So again here 1 3. So this is 2. Next one here it is 2. So this is 0 0, right? So here it is 2. This point is 1 and 1. So it is 2. Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at this point, here it is 1 0. This solid line is 1 0. Okay. So here it is 0. Next one, line connecting here. This is 2. So here it is 3. So next one is 1 0. 2. Here it is 0. So here it is 2. So 1 0. This is 1. Here it is 3 1 1. Obviously 1 4. So the minimum is 3. Next at this point it is 1. Okay, 0 0 line. Next here it is 1 1. So it is 1. So 3 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. Minimum is 3. So next one here it is 1 0. Solid line is 1 0. So here it is 2. Next this lining 0 1 0. So this point is 2. Next one is 0 1. Both are 0 1. Okay. 0 1. So 0 2. What about here? 2. So this is also 2. Last one 3 0 0. So here it is 2. Whereas here 1 1 0. So the minimum value is 2. Next one is here 3 1 1. So 3. Here it is 2 1. So this is 3. Next is 1 4. Here it is 1 3 3. So 0 1 1 3 plus 1 4. Whereas here it is 3. Okay. So we have completed all the minimum distance calculation. Next, how to do the decoding. So let me take green. So starting with the S0. Okay. So from here, if you compare, which is the minimum distance you see. So minimum distance here is 0. Between these two nodes, we are trying to see the minimum distance. Okay. So starting with S0, I'm seeing at this point, which is the minimum one value, 0 is the minimum one. So I connected to this point S1. Next from here, okay, we are standing in the S1. So from here, two lines are going. Okay. So according to this one, which is the minimum, 0 is the minimum. So here will be the output line. So next output is here. Okay. So next we are in the state of S2. So where it is diverged to S0. Another line is it is diverged to S1. So among this one, which is the minimum one, both are 1 1. Okay. So we cannot make any decision now. Okay. Either randomly we have to pick here. So first, if I am picking the randomly one, first one I am taking. Okay. I am taking the first one. Next, I'm just checking. Now I'm in the S0 state. So S0 state end with one is S0, another one is here. So it means the minimum value here it is there. Next one, from here it is moving to S0, and here again both are 2, 2. Randomly I am picking the one. So this 0 state. Next one, from S2, S1, there are two lines, S2 and S3, both are 2, 2. I am randomly picking one. Right. Next one I am seeing here, which is the minimum. Final one is ended up with S0. Okay, ended up with S0. So here, according to this decoding, so what is the output we are getting? First one is 1, 1. Okay. Second one is 1, 0. Third one is what? 1, 1. Fourth one is 0, 0. Fifth one is 1, 1. Sixth one is 1, 0. Last one is 1, 0. Okay. So the decoding here is, it is wrong. Why there is a decoding error? Because this 2, 1, 2, it has the decoding capability of, it can correct only 1-bit error, that we will see it later. Okay. So since I took 2-bit error, we ended up with what? A wrong estimated code word. Okay. So for example, if you take only 1-bit error here, either you can pick here as the 1-bit error. Okay, I am just writing here. It is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so here only the error is there. 0, 1. Rest are same. Which is, that is the transmitted one, right? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Rest is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, next is what? 0, 1.
0, 1, 1,
0, 1, 1, 0. Last is
0, 1, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So our error is in this bit. That is, instead of 0, 0, I am just taking it as 0, 1. Okay. So only 1-bit error. Now same thing, if you do the calculation, I hope first 2 will be same. So 2, 0. So this point is 2, 0. Next point is 3, 3, 0, 2. So here 3, 3, 0, 2. So from here only we have to calculate blue. Okay. So this is 0, 1. Here again, if you see, it is 1. Okay. So this line is 0. Here 1. So here it is 1, right? Next one, this line I'm seeing, it is 1. So here at this point, the value is 4, whereas here from 0, this is 2. So here it is 2. Next one, 3, 1, 0, here it is 2. Then here one line 0, 1 is there. So it is 0. So here it is 2. Next one is here 0, 1, 0. Here it is 2. So 3, 3. Next is 0, 1. So here it is 1. This line is 1, 1. 1, 1 is 1, 2. Next one is here it is 1. Okay. This line is 0, 0. It is 1. So it is 2. Okay. Next one is, this is 1, 0. This line is 1, 0. So it is 2. Next one is here 0. So this point is 3. Next one is 0, 1. So 0. I hope here it is 2. Similar way here, if you take 0, 0, this line is 1. So here it is 1. So it is 3. Next one, 1. This point is 3 plus 0. So here it is 3. Next one, 2. Here this line is 0. Here 2. Here it is 0, 1. So it will be 2. Here it is 0. I
Ma'am, the
hope
top
it is.
line is the top line
Tell.
will be okay, ma'am, sorry.
2 plus, correct, right? Next one here, it is 1. Here 2 plus 1, so here it is 3. 3 here again 1. Here it is 1, so here it is 3. Next one is 1 0, so 0 1, so here it is 2, whereas here 2 plus, here it is 2. Next one 3 0, here it is 2, so 3. 1 1, so here it is 0 2. Next at this point it is 3 3 plus 1 1 0, whereas 2 plus here 1 3. Next one 1 0, so it is 1. At here it is 1, so it is 4. Here no need actually. Last one, right? Okay. Now you start. So S0 is the line. Okay. So S0 is the line. So minimum here we took 0. Right. So from here it is okay. So from here it is 0 and 2. So the minimum value is 0. Next one from here 1 and 2. So you see the minimum value is 1. Next from this line 2, here also 2. So I am just picking here the value 0 0. Okay, this line I am randomly choosing. So here it is 0 0. Next one from here it is 3. Next point from here 3 3. So I am randomly choosing here 1. Next one is here 3 3. Again I am randomly choosing. Right, I think I have calculated somewhere wrong. See, here it is 3. Now you see when you pick the lowest one, whether it is 4, for example, let it be 2. So we are starting with 0, we should end also with 0. But when I pick this state, okay, it is going to S2 and the next one it is going to S3. So it means we made a wrong decision of picking the states. So again I am moving back to this point. Okay, so whether I'm just checking whether I made a decisions here. So here previous state is what? 2. Okay, so this 2, here 3, here 3. So it means here only I made a mistake of choosing this 3. So again I'm taking the next path to see whether it is ending up with the S0 state or not. So this path is wrong because it is not ending up with the S0 state. So I'm picking this one. Next from here I'm checking 2 and 3. So this is the one. Okay. So from here, see last one, no need to check whether it is the lowest because it has to end with S0 state. Right.
Can't we move from back to front, like from right to left?
Right to left means?
Like we'll start with the S0 from right and we'll
No. Because when you are doing that one, it is not like a serial decoding. Since here we took the input length is minimum, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Input length is 7. So we have to wait for these many bits to be received. Okay. After that only we have to do the decoding process. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
once we receive these bits, we can start from the back.
No, that is a delay, right? It introduces a delay. Here, since the input length we took is a minimum. Whereas there, in a practical case, one packet of bits, if you take it will be 1000, more than 1000. So you have to wait for 1000. So one bit, if the time duration T is 1 microseconds, you have to wait for what? 1 milliseconds time you have to wait, then you will be doing the decoding process. Right? Instead of that, if you start doing it, at 1 or 2 states only we are coming back. Right? It is like a trace back we are coming. See here, I hope somewhere I made a mistake in calculation. Otherwise, you know, if I take from here, these 2 points, okay. So these 2 points, I can choose this also. From here, obviously it is end up with this one, S0, correct? But definitely if there is a 1-bit error, it will properly, you can, without even a trace back, you can get the correct decoding output. Somewhere in the calculation, we did a mistake. That's what even this line end up with the S0. Please verify this one, okay? Please verify. So 1-bit error means we can do it properly for this 2, 1, 2. It can correct only 1 bit. So if you go for the more than 1 bit of error, so obviously it will introduce us the decoding error. Okay, so if you want how to find the error correction and error detection capability of the convolutional code, we will see it in the next class. Is this decoding is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3 people.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
I think we did a calculation correct till t equals 3. So if it can decode the 1-bit error, so we should go on to the path 0, 0 from t equal to 2 to t equal to 3 to correct, right?
T equal to 2 to t equal to 3. So I'm standing here at this point. Okay. So I'm
Yes,
from here it end 2 branches are going from this state. Okay. One is going to S0 state. Next one is it is going to S1 state. So among this one, which is the minimum distance we are seeing. So minimum distance is 1. So I'm taking this path.
Yes, ma'am. But our correct output is 0, 0. So if it can,
Yes,
it can decode
Where,
the
ma?
correct way.
Where? I didn't get.
We added the error in this bit, no?
Yes.
Correct.
Correct is 0, 0. So that's
Which
what
one?
I'm telling, whether we made any mistake here.
Ma'am, I don't think so. I checked once again, but I think it is correct only.
See, this is 1, 1, 2, okay, 0. Let us check only here. So here it is 1. So it is 3. Here it is 1. Okay, 3. This point is correct. Here it is 1, 0. 1, 0, 0 only. So it is 0. Here it is 2. Yes, correct. This point is correct.
S2 to S1.
S2
to S1 is wrong, ma'am.
That's what.
That should be 1.
Which one, ma? S2 to S1.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. That is 0, 0. So and
It is 1. Weight is 1.
Here the value is
1,
0,
ma'am.
0, ma'am.
no node metric I'm asking.
Node metric should be 1, ma'am. At S1.
1 only I have written.
Yes.
no, ma'am.
S2
At
to
the
S1.
down S1.
S2 to S1, ma'am.
Oh, this is also 1, 1.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if that is the case, we will start with this here. Okay. So here we ended up. So I hope then rest of the value will be wrong. Right. So here calculated value will be wrong. So did you get the point? See, whenever,
Yes,
for example, both are 1, we have to randomly pick one and proceed it. If this way it is not ending up with 0, 0 state, come back where we made a decision. From there, you take the next path. Okay, and try to check whether we are ending up with the S0 state. If it is ending up with the S0 state, that's all the decoding procedure, and correspondingly we will write the code bit and we will that will be the estimated code word. Okay.
Ma'am, like here, if we make a decision like from a time equal to 2 to time equal to 3, if we make a decision like S2 to S0, because it is also a minimum error, then we have to come back 1000 steps in case of a real data. 1000 steps back we should come.
that's what I'm telling. If the error correction, okay, if the error correction capability according to this one is only 1 bit, it means we are expecting from the channel is very good, it maximum it can introduce only 1 bit of error. If that is the case, we can decode it properly, okay, without any problem we will decode it. But if it goes more than the error, obviously we will make an error. That is acceptable error. That is, this will happen. The chances for getting more error is minimum. Another one, what we used to do is any burst error, like continuously 3 or 4 bits are having a error, we will go for interleaver. That is, we will shuffle the bit so that continuously more bits of error won't sit there. Okay, there are different techniques are there. You please, because this is only an introduction to this error control coding. So based on that one, this is whatever we are doing is the hard decision decoding. There is a soft decision decoder is there that will improve your decoding one, that is error decoding. We will be making a less number of decoding error than the decoder for soft decision decoding. So this is one method, simplest method with minimum distance. Without minimum distance also we can do with the Viterbi decoder, that is with the path metric value. Once you know the channel metric value, with that we used to decode. So since it is limited portion, you please get the concept how they are doing. Is this one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So next class we will see how to find the error correction capability of this one. So for that you should know the Mason gain formula. If you know the procedure from the state diagram, how to find the Mason gain one, within a 10 to 15 minutes we can complete that one part. Okay. So please go through the Mason gain formula and come. We will complete within 15 minutes in the next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.